All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Whenever you are watching this, this is Lionheart LaQuinn. We are going to go over what you get in your new trader admission email. This is from Lionheart Capital, and we basically provide you with everything that you need to be a successful, professional, profitable trader. So here we go. Mikey, you got me, King?
I got you, cuz.
Cool. Appreciate you. So we're going to go ahead and scroll up a little bit and get the introduction. There's a free crypto guide in there, right there, that first one right there, that first link, and a professional trader admission form. That admission form will help you determine your trader style, what's the best trading style for you, because what we're going to teach you is how to get the money. But afterwards, when you're on your own, you want to know how you think. You want to know everything about yourself, your emotions from the inside out when you're trading. And that professional trader admission form, you can talk to one of our trading counselors and they can help you out and help guide you to become the best trader that you can become. So definitely fill out that form. We got you. There's a free crypto e-guide. So if you've never heard about crypto before, it'll catch you up and give you some free guide on free game on exactly what crypto is and how lucrative it can be so you can make money in your sleep. All right. We have the brokers up here. So the 4 things that you need to effectively trade, you do need a digital wallet, Cash App, or Coinbase do work. There's a few of them out there, crypto.com, binance.com. But these are the 2 that I specifically use and I can educate on because I know how they work. All right. And then same thing with the broker. You do not have to use Hugo's Way if you don't want to, but this is the broker that I use amongst a few others. I also use BitForex, IQ Sense, and then I also use Fair4X as well. And in a nutshell, between those platforms, I normally have pretty good spreads on a lot of basically taken in and out of my money on these accounts because you do get tax and fee for everything to enter the market and all that. All right, so keep that in mind. This is a business, right? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and click on Hugo's Way. We're gonna make a transfer real quick, but everything that you need is in this email. There's more in there. There's a lot more in that email. There's actually a free course for you, a free, very extensive course, about 400 lessons on A to Z about crypto, Forex, foreign exchange. So you definitely want to tap into that. That's what you also get when you join the 31-day trading plan. But in a nutshell, we're going to go ahead and get my king taken care of because I'll make sure that gets redacted. But in a nutshell, we'll continue to provide inspiration and value to you guys so that you guys can become profitable traders. All right, so you have the amount up there. So we're going to do an internal transfer right now. And so go ahead and hit the 3 tabs. Yep, there you go. Right up there. And then we're going to do request transfer. Right. All right. Hit select the transfer type. And this is after you've bought your Bitcoin and you have placed your Bitcoin inside of your Hugo's Way wallet. All right. Wallet to MetaTrader. And now we're connecting the MetaTrader or the funds to his MetaTrader account. All right. So select from wallet. The USD. And then select account.
See, that's all that's coming up.
We need to. That's what we're on right now. Okay. So we need to open up a new account. So this is how this is what this video is going to be about. Switch. All right. So go to my accounts. You see the 3 tabs up there in the top left-hand corner. Go ahead and go to my accounts, and then yeah, I don't see any. Yeah, create an account. Okay, I know where we're at now. So this is how you create an account on Hugo's Way. All right, here we go. So create an account. Select the account type. Break these down very briefly. Hugo's Way MT4 ECN. Right, and then select currency, US dollar, or whatever country that you're in. And then select leverage. And we're going to do 500. And basically all that means is for every dollar that you have, you can stretch that 500 times on how much you can get from that $1. So that's the value of the system. Go ahead and select 500. So it helps you grow your account a lot quicker. So go ahead and hit create an account. Cool. So you just received an email. So go back to your email. All right, go back to your inbox. All right, and then there you go. So if you can screenshot this, I'm not sure, but you definitely go ahead and scroll down some, and it's going to give you your details right there. All right. And you can also refer back to this email as well too. So I would definitely favorite and star this email, as well as the new trader admission email that you received. So you can continue to revert back to it. All right. Yep. And so you got those numbers written down.
Give me 1 second, cuz.
Yeah. However you work best. If you just want to use the photo, that's fine. Just some people like to do the paper. So you have to write it down if you got it. But I always, the digital world can be a beast sometimes. You never know. Lose a phone, anything. You know what I'm saying? You always want to have access to these accounts somewhere.
All right. 1 second. I'm writing it all down right now.
Big bet. Awesome. One second. I'm going to reply.
Oh, 1 second. All right, 1 second.
From.
All right. So now what?
All right, here we go. So 2592228. All right, here we go. So now we're gonna go to your MetaTrader app on your phone, and we're gonna log in using those credentials. Cool. And just so you guys know, you can use 4 or 5. You don't just have to use 4. I started with 4, so I do use 5 for a demo account, but I started with 4, so I'm comfortable with it. If it ain't broke, I don't fix it. So yeah. All right. So then we're gonna go ahead and hit the 3 tabs. You got your phone on charger?
Yeah. All right, the 3 tabs.
Yep. And you see manage accounts. And then we're gonna log in.
Is this where I log in right here, or is this for my
Hold on, go back. It should be log into existing account. Did you see that? That's normally what I see. Manage accounts.
traditional messages, mailbox, accounting, history, trade?
Yep.
Okay. Well, what do I do now?
Tap on MetaTrader for Android demo. Where is it? You see that up at the top of the screen?
Yeah.
Go ahead and hit manage. Go ahead and hit plus. So that's your demo account. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to log into existing account.
Okay.
All right, and then we're gonna type, and then where it says find broker. So that email that you have, or that you wrote down, did you write down all that information, the server ID and broker number and all that? It should have been like Hugo's Way Live, something real.
Oh,
yeah.
oh shit! I need to go back there and look at that, right?
Yeah, to the email.
I wrote down the numbers.
All good.
Hold on. Hugo's Way live. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And so Hugo's Way live, and then go back, and then you have the number. You have all those letters and stuff as well, right?
Yeah, I got all the other stuff.
Trader password, investor password. Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. So we're gonna go back to the other screen. We check to make sure. We're gonna go Hugo's Way live. We type up Hugo's Way live. You can click on the second one. There you go.
Right here.
Yep. And then go ahead and type in your password.
So now I'm just
the login and password. Yep. And then you're going to use for the password, it's going to be the trader password, not the investor password.
Okay, so the login is the account number.
Yep.
Okay. And the password is going to be the trader, right?
Correct. Trader password. Yep.
All right, there he is.
Cool. We in there now. So as you can see, it says $0 right there, right? So let's go ahead and go back to the Hugo's Way website, and we're gonna do the internal transfer portion now.
All right.
You created an account. You funded an account first. You created the account. So just know the broker's account itself is free to fund account and to fund an account, and then to actually go to your MetaTrader and put the money in there. That's a whole nother thing. That's two different processes. So, yep, internal transfer.
ECN.
Hold on, actually, yep, ECN.
Select currency, USD. Select leverage, 500.
Nope. Internal transfer. That's for your own credit account. Like, hold on, something's not right here. You see the top. Go ahead and go back to the top 3 tabs on the left. Top left, 3 tabs. And then we're going to go to internal transfer. And then select the transfer type. And then, yep. And then, yep, wallet to MetaTrader, amount, select account, and then that account should pop up. Bam, there we go. And then amount to transfer,
all right.
193.01.
Okay.
All right, request transfer.
I like how you're making a teaching lesson out of this, show people what to do and how to go through this, man.
Oh yeah, definitely, man. This is necessary, man. Because if nobody tells you, man, you don't know. You know, it seems like this impossible path to get started, but only because people don't know what to do. You know, it's just unfortunate. But you know,
It does seem like an impossible path, guys.
Yeah. You know, we just need a little bit of guidance sometimes, and nothing's wrong with that. That's what God is here for, you know. All right, so go ahead and hit OK, and then go ahead and go to the MetaTrader 4 app.
And MetaTrader 4.
And then later on, make sure you do the exact same thing on your laptop. So go to, like, when you get to your laptop, log into your MetaTrader account so that you can trade from your laptop and your desktop or whatever else device that you have. All right. And the website for the actual website trader. And so there's your money right there. So now the market, let's go to your watch list. We're going to set you up right. Let's set you up right. Go ahead and go to
The watch.
we see bottom left-hand corner. You don't need no spam. What's the name? Go bottom left-hand corner, the two arrows that are like catacorny versus each other. Yep. So this is your watch list. So this is the prices that we can trade, and we're gonna get you set up right here, right now, so that you can trade with us tomorrow. All right, start making this money. All right, so go ahead and hit that pencil button first. All right, and then go ahead and tap on AUD USD. AUD USD. Hold on. Swipe to the left on it, or swipe to the right. One of the ways. Or hold on. Tap and hold. Tap and hold. Hold on. Can I control your screen? No. Tap and hold on AUD USD. All right. No, that's to move it. All right. Okay. Hit the trash can. Hit the trash can. In the top right corner. Every phone is different. There we go. All right. Here we go now. So we're gonna tap on AUD USD. GP. No, we're gonna leave that. We're gonna leave that one. NZD USD. Take that one out. All the USD pairs except for USD JPY. Take those out. So the next two, take those out. Leave USD JPY. Leave that one. Go ahead and take out the next three after that. Euro CZK. Yep. Yep. And yep. Go ahead and hit delete.
Hit trash, right?
Yep. All right, and then we're gonna add some of the main pairs. So just so you guys know, the main pairs that we trade are gold and Euro USD. So go ahead and hit that plus button up top in the top right-hand corner. All right. And then here we go. So now we're gonna add metals. And just so you know, you can now access literally every single platform. I'm talking about gold, silver, platinum, oil, rice. You can trade rice now. You can trade stocks. You can trade energy. You can trade Tesla, Nike, all that just from your phone right here, right now. You got me?
Got you.
So what we're going to learn how to do is basically place trades while you're sleeping. All right. So here we go. So we're going to go to metals, and we're going to add gold. We're going to add gold for Euro USD and for US dollar. All right. So gold for Euro USD. XAG USD, yep, and then XAU EUR. Oh, actually, yep, XAU USD, that one right there.
This one.
Yeah, and then if you want to trade platinum, you can trade platinum if you want. I haven't traded it yet, but it moves a little different, so I think it's more for bigger accounts. But yeah, you can add it if you want to just kind of follow price as it goes up and down and see what it does actually, see the volatility of it if you want. All right, so add symbol. Go ahead and go back. See up top. Yep, go back. All right, one more time. All right, cool. So this is called your watch list. This is your watch list. These are the current pairs that you're watching. And where you see EUR USD, I'm gonna break all this down for you very briefly. Euro USD, you see that? We already kind of talked about that. All right, so basically we got the spread, which is the difference between the two prices that you see on the right. All right, it's the difference between the two prices that you see on the right. The low is the low of the moment, and the high is the high of the moment. Just think about it like that. We'll place a trade real quick. All right, we're gonna place a trade real quick. We can go Euro USD. Go ahead and tap on it.
Hey, tap on it right now.
Or actually hit, yeah. So you can do that, or you can, yeah, yep. There you go. Tap and hold the connected devices. Hold on, are you on? Hit new order. Bam. All right, cool. So let's break this down real quick. So there's 5 different type of orders that you can place. So right now we're placing an order in Euro USD. You see it up top, right?
Right.
All right. So market execution. So market execution means right here, right now, you're about to place this trade. Go ahead and tap on market execution. Cool. In a nutshell, market execution, we can talk about more what these different orders are, but there's 5 total orders that you can place. 4 of them are pending orders, meaning you can place them in the future, even when price isn't at that point. All right, so go ahead and tap on market execution. And basically these 4 different pending orders, those 4 pending different orders, it allows you to start your day, look at the markets real quick after you do your analysis, place your trades, and then go on about your day so that you can make money while you were doing what you were going to do anyway. You can make money in your sleep, and you no longer have to worry about focusing on trading your time for money. So that's what this is right here. All right, in a nutshell, that's all this is. Don't overthink about it. So what we want to do when we're trading, we want to get in at a low price and sell at a high price if we're going in for a buy. All right, I'm gonna say that one more time. If we're going in for a buy, we want to get in at a low price and get out on a high price. You got me?
Got you.
All right. So right now we're gonna go ahead and place a trade. The market's not moving, but we're gonna go ahead and place a trade so you know what it looks like tomorrow, and you know it'll be what's name. So go ahead and do a 0.01 lot size. Right now you're at 1.00. You see where your cursor is currently?
Right.
Right. So you're at 1. So that's $1. You don't want to do that on a $200 account. We want to start off with 0.01 just so you can get comfortable. That's 1 penny per pip. All right. On a $200 account, you got some room to breathe. You don't got to sweat. Right. You never want to invest money that you cannot afford to lose. You got me?
Did I put that in right?
Yep, you sure did. You sure did. Great job. All right. And so on the right side, we're gonna set our take profit. And take profit, all that means is when price touches that take profit, so that when 118, let's go ahead and type in on the right side, you see it's kind of like yellow goldish on the right side, the 0.000 number. Go ahead and tap in there.
Okay.
And then erase all that. Okay, all good. And go ahead and type 1.18. And then we're gonna go in 7. Well, nope, that's 118. Always double and triple check this screen. Always double and triple check this screen. 1.18. Nope, did it again. Here we go. 8. Hold on, back up to one more. There you go, right there. There you go, perfect. And then 780. All right. And so right now we're gonna place your stop loss at 1. So that's your take profit. So that's the price that we just set your take profit at. So currently price is at 1.18723 for a buy. So at 1.18780, it's going to automatically close out your trade and put the money into your account. All right. Now on the left side, that's your stop loss. This is the risk that you're willing to take in order to gain that profit. You got me? So we're gonna go 1.18. And that spread is huge, by the way. This isn't a market that we would normally trade, but this is literally for demonstration purposes only. However, we do plan on being profitable. So we are gonna place a real trade. This is how we would really do it.
I'm doing this for real right now.
Yeah, this is real. 1.18, 600. All right. So basically, this is what's going on right now. So for a penny per pip, I'm gonna say that one time, one more again. A penny per pip, right? So anytime price goes up 1, that's a what's name? That's one penny, 1 cent. You got me? Anytime it goes down, that's -1 cent. You got me? So what we're risking right now is so on the selling side, where price is at currently right now, we're going to break this down here in a moment. All right. So go ahead and hit the buy button.
So I got this right now. Hit the buy.
Uh-huh. All right. Let's get it. Woo, let's get it.
I already know I'm going to go down. Before I go up. So
don't even worry about that. You will start off every trade in the negative. I'm going to explain why here in a second. That spread is huge though. I will say that. So let's go ahead and this is your active trade screen. So you are now in your active trade screen. All right. Balance, equity, you kind of figured those two out. But free margin, that's how much you have to basically trade about. So that's how many plays. Once that goes to a certain number, you're not going to be able to place any more trades. And so for every $100, you want to do no more than a 0.10 lot size. No more than a 0.010 lot size. So if you have 200, you can do 0.20. But that's the most you ever want to do on on a combined total of trades. So if you have 5 trades, that's 0.01 on each one. Then that's 5 cents a lot size. You got me? So basically, you don't want to be risking more than 20 cents at a time, especially in any one market. All right, you understand that?
So the free margin is once I get to 190.25, then I'm not going to be able to do anything else.
190. Say that one more time.
The free margin, once I ran up the 190.25, then I'm not going to be able to do anything else.
Right. So this is where that leverage comes in, that 500 leverage. So if you would have only put like 100, you wouldn't have been able to use a lot of that. But you can you can use a lot of your money. For every penny, you're able to make $5 basically, stretching that out. So that's where that free margin comes into place. All right. So go ahead and tap on Euro USD, and I'm gonna show you how to modify and edit and delete or close a trade. And swipe to the left. Hold on, bro. No, not yet. Hold on. Swipe back. All right, cool. Let's break this down real quick. So this is our trade right now. We got in Euro USD for a buy at 1 penny per pip, right? We got in at 1.18723. And right now, price is currently at 1.18689. You got that? So once it gets to 1.18723, we would have broken even. All right. Go ahead and hit OK on that.
Okay.
On your notification. There you go. Cool. And so we have our stop loss, which means when price gets to this price, it's going to close out. When it gets to the take profit price, it's going to close out. So just keep this in mind. You have an active trade until one of 3 things happens. Either you close the trade, or it hits your stop loss, or your take profit. If it doesn't do one of those 3 things, you will always have an active trade. Remember that. All right. You understand what I say? So that's why you need to put in these numbers. Otherwise, it can just run. You got me?
Got you.
We'll teach you strategies and techniques later so that you can learn how to make no loss trades. All right. Here we go. So we have our stop loss where it says S/L at 1.18600, and then we have our take profit where it says T/P at 1.18780. All right. Cool. And basically swap. Don't worry about that. As of right now, basically if you trade long enough, you'll find that you'll be in some trades an hour, a day, a week, and sometimes a little bit longer than that. So swap is basically how much you get charged for holding on to a trade as it switches over your trade to another bank. So there's a fee. Everybody wants their money. So when the market closes and then London, so when New York Stock Exchange closes and London session opens next, then basically your trade would have been swapped over to their bank. So they take a fee for that. You got me? And then
got you.
Right. And so commission. So commission is this. Basically for every 0.01, you will be charged 5 cents to enter the market for a trade. So if you would have had 0.02, it'd be 10 cents of commission. You would have had 0.03, it'd be 15 cents in commission. And that's what goes to the broker. So the broker.
Now, if I put in 300, that's when I do 0.03.
No.
200, I could do 0.02.
Right. No. 0.30. So if you have 300, then you could do 0.30. So that would be 30 cents versus 1 penny. You see what I'm saying? Per pip. Okay. You got me?
Got you.
So basically just remember when price goes up, that's 1 pip. When price goes down, that's a pip. So that's the fluctuation in price. We call them pips. All right. So from there, let's go ahead and swipe to the left on it, and I'm gonna show you how to modify and close out an order early if you would like. All right, go ahead and hit the modify button. I'm sorry, the pencil. All right. And so in a nutshell, this is the screen where you would edit. The left side is, of course, your stop loss. The right side is your take profit. The above is the lot size. You can't change the lot size, but you can change your stop loss and your take profit. And you would do that if you see the market going up, prices going up and it's jumping, and you want to stay along for the ride and get more money, you would move your take profit right into like, so where it's at 1.18780, you would move it to maybe 1.18800. You got me?
Okay.
You got me? And then you can basically, like I said, it's not going to close out unless it hits their take profit. And then what you would do if you are already profitable, then you would have move your stop loss to a break even point at 1.18600. You understand?
Right.
All right, cool. So I just want you to think about that, because you can basically close out your trades with a no loss trade if you place your what's name above if you place your stop loss above your entry point, which your entry point is 1.18723. So if price goes up towards 1.18800, right? You understand where I'm at?
You move it up to take more profit.
Exactly. So when it goes down and hits your stop loss is in the profit. So there's no way you can lose a trade at some point. You got me?
Got you.
All right. And that's how you mitigate your loss. So sometimes you do have to keep an eye on it, especially if you want to manage your money better. But you don't, I say like this, if you're a great trader, you just let it hit your take profit. But if you're beginning, sometimes you might have to, work. You might not be placing the best trades all the time. So you got to adjust, and you got to readjust, and you got to readjust and modify your trades. So it's not something that you kind of got to consistently do, but it will happen, and you want to know that you have the power to do that. But from there, King, that's it for today, man. Tomorrow we can go ready. You know how to place a trade now. I'm going to put this up on YouTube, and if anybody is interested, we can definitely tap in and go from there. But you guys can follow me on Instagram at Lions Wall Street. We do have a trading group where we have our clients, investors, students as well, and our traders and our staff for Lionheart Capital. If you would like to learn more about Lionheart Capital, please email us at lionheartmotivationfactory@gmail.com. We appreciate you guys. My name is Lionheart. I am the CEO and owner and founder of Lions Wall Street. Tap in with us if you want to make this money in your sleep. That's what we're here for. I'm here for you, and so is my staff. All you got to do is reach out, and we have you. All right. Keep grinding, King. I appreciate you, man. All love, man. Well, I'm gonna talk to you later. I'm gonna end this recording right now. Keep grinding, y'all.
All right. So I don't need to check this.